Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to download free ringtones onto your LG deck. Start out by plugging it in your phone to your computer. Then hit data. Set it aside for now. Now I'm doing this video. Well, I saw this this exact same video, but he didn't explain how to do it with people that did not have, that did not have SD cards or micro SD or expansion ports on their phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, go to zedge.net. Don't ask me how to spell it, it'll be in my description. Hit ringtones. And search which ringtone you want. It could be a song or a comedy thing, whatever. Search for it. You do not need to sign up or anything. It's completely free, and it's simple. Okay. And scroll down. I think this is the one I want.
Hey, Chief, listen, you got a call here, alright? So pick up the phone already, alright, pal? What is this? I told you, pick up the mother...
Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going to press get ringtone. Right below it. Okay, hit PC download. Start download. Save. And to desktop. Okay, close. You're done with that site now. Now go onto the site whatever has your email on. It could be AOL, Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever. I personally use AOL. Okay, go to mail. Hit compose. Okay, this is a slight, brain thinking part. Okay, type in your number without the 1 in the beginning. So it'll be let's say example 555-555-5555. After you're done writing that, press @sign vzwpix.com, or you could just send a message to your account and then see where the address is. Personally have it in mind. Okay, then hit attach file. Desktop. Wow, it's annoying. Here it is. And then hit send. And now we wait. Oh yeah, you didn't have to plug it in, by the way. I just added that part because my phone was dying. And here it comes. By the way, don't use LimeWire to get these, because the things are often too big to send it. Actually, never mind.
Hey, Chief, listen, you got a call here, alright?
So, okay, then go into save as ringtone. Save to phone. If you want to save it as your regular ringtone, press yes or no. And then see if you have it. Media Center. Music and Tones, My Ringtones,
You got a call.
I also got this one. Have fun. Remember, subscribe. I'm gonna come out with a bunch of cool stuff. You know, I'm just starting to get back into it. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.